Hello, my name is Peter Carney and I'm the Product Director at the Wholesale Applications Community, also known as WAC, for the developer website and the tools that you'll find within it. The developer website is our interface towards you to allow you to use our products and services and also learn a bit more about them. A lot of information can be found by just arriving on the website. So, for example, if you click on the top navigation, you can find out a bit more about our WAC API service. The left-hand navigation here will let you understand how to get started, what in fact the payment API is all about. So we can click here and read about that. There's plenty of information there, and also detailed documentation. To get full access to all of the tools, you'll need to register, and the remainder of this video is about how you will actually register and sign up to use the site in the first place. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign up. So I've clicked on the sign up link in the top right hand corner here, and we require a little bit of information about you so that we can create an account and register your email address. So let's start by registering a new user. We're going to call our user John Smith. So John is his first name, Smith is his second. We're going to use email address john.smith@mailinator.com. Our new user will need a nickname, so we're going to call him John Smith 1. Our company name is going to be Digital Architects, let's say that, or Digital Arc, let's say, and we'll need a password. We treat security very seriously at WAC, so the password must contain upper and lowercase, a number, and also a special character. So I've entered my password and revalidated it, and then finally we need to type in the captcha code at the bottom. So it's TDQCD2L. We then simply click on the sign up button at the bottom here, and we've created an account. Now, as part of the sign up process, we also need to, of course, validate the email address. So we're going to go into our mailbox and check that we've received the link which will validate the email address. So I've sent my email box and I can see a greeting message from WAC Apps, and it's asking me to click on this URL, which will then confirm that the email address I provided is accurate and the correct one. So I'm going to go right ahead and click on this, and we can now see that we're all confirmed. The account is set up, email address is confirmed, and it's inviting me to log in. So I'm now going to log in with the email address I provided and the password that I set when I registered. So we're going to click login now. And we've logged into the site for the first time, and the site will ask you what your primary interest is. So for this user, I'm interested in the WAC APIs program at the moment, so I'm going to click here, and this will set up the profile in the most effective way for a WAC APIs developer. So we're going to click the option here, and we're going to click OK button. At various points in the site, when the first time you come across a new area, we give you tip information. This is going to tell you a bit more about what you need to do. So it says the next step once we're signed in should be to submit financial details. So we're going to read that if we want to, but for the moment we're just going to OK the message. And we've now arrived, we're signed in, and the arrival site, a part of the site, will always be what we call the developer dashboard. So in the signed in state now, of course, we have access to all of the tools and documentation. So if we click down here, we can see in the navigation under documentation there's many more options that you wouldn't have had if you'd just been a user who's visiting the site in the non-signed in state. So we can do all sorts of things here, but for the purpose of this video, which was to teach you how to sign up and log in, we've now completed that task. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the next video.